A warm greetings to everyone. This is Sterlin Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering from RMD Engineering College. In this video lecture, we'll discuss about the subject problem solving using C++. The topic we are going to discuss is pointers. First, we can see the definition of a pointer. A pointer is a variable which contains the address of another variable. A pointer is a variable which points or represents a storage location in memory. A pointer is a variable that stores the address of another variable, and a pointer can be incremented or decremented. That is, the pointer can change to the next or the previous memory location. The purpose of the pointer is to save the space, as well as we can do the execution in a faster manner. The next thing I want to tell is about the pointer variable. So first we should know how to declare a pointer variable. The syntax is data type followed by asterisk, then pointer name followed by a semicolon. So here asterisk acts as a indirection operator, and another operator we are using is ampersand. So it indicates the pointer name to data type. So if I want to declare two variables of type integer, then I can declare integer asterisk p1 comma asterisk p2. Similarly, if I want to declare the two character pointer variables, then I can declare character asterisk c1 comma asterisk c2. So the next thing is about how to initialize the pointer. So the ampersand symbol which is used to initializing the pointer variable. So here the syntax is pointer which is equal to ampersand variable. So we can see with one example, integer asterisk p, then I am initializing a variable a as 10, and now I am using p which is equal to ampersand a. See, pointer which is equal to ampersand variable, that is the syntax. So the address of a which is assigned to the pointer variable p. The next thing is about pointer operators. Two pointer operators are there, one is ampersand and the other one is asterisk. So ampersand means address of operator or referencing operator, and asterisk means value at operator or indirect operator or dereferencing operator. So ampersand stands for address of, which is used to retrieve the address of a variable. Similarly, asterisk is used for value at address, and it is used to access the value at location by means of its address. So here we can see with one example, integer asterisk p, then a is equal to 10. So p, now we are assigning the address of a to p. P is equal to ampersand of a. Now if I print the value of p, I will be getting the address of a. The next one is pointers and function arguments. So the pointer as a function parameter, which is used to hold the address of arguments which are passed during the function call. So this is called as the call by reference. So when a function is called by reference, any change we are making to the reference variable, that will affect the original variable. That we can explain with the example. So first I am including the header file, then I am declaring one function as a global function, swap of. So void swap of integer star a comma integer star b. Then I am having my main function. So here I am having two variables, integer a and b, and I am getting the values through the scanf statement for a and b. Now I am calling the swap of function, swap of ampersand a comma ampersand b. So now the control is transfer from this place to the function definition. So void swap of integer star a comma integer star b. Now I am declaring a temporary variable. Now the a value is assigned to temp, then b value is assigned to a, and temp value is assigned to b. The normal swapping of two numbers. Then again the control is transferred to the next line of this swap of function. So there what we are doing is, we are just printing the value after swapping a and b, then return. So this will swap two values a and b. The next one is about initializing pointers only. So here The ampersand operator is used to point or initialize the variable. If I can give p is equal to ampersand a, means the address of a is pointed to the p value. Then the pointers and arrays. So the values in an array can be accessed efficiently using the pointers. So you know that arrays means consecutive memory locations will be there. So initially the base address is assigned to the pointer, means we can easily move to the next by having the offset value. If it is an integer 2 bytes, if I add with the base value of 2, then I can move to the next location. If it is a float, then 4 bytes, if I add with the base value, then I can move to the next. In such a way, easily I can access the array values. Here we can see with one example. Here integer a of 5, which is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now I am declaring a pointer variable integer b is equal to integer asterisk b. So now I am initializing the base address, that is array of 0 is assigned to address of a of 0 is assigned to b value. Now the b is a pointer variable which is used to hold the base address of the array a. So now if I want to access to the next, I can easily add 2 bytes so that I can easily move to a of 1. Thank you.